The latest news from the financial markets around the globe presented by Forex, a multi-award-winning Forex broker.
Oracle jumped 2.7% to $280.07 on Thursday, rebounding as investors rotated back into large-cap tech. During Thursday's regular session, the Dow Jones added 0.3%, the S&P 500 rose 0.6%, and the Nasdaq Composite gained 0.9%, driven by renewed buying in tech stocks. Brent crude oil futures traded near $66 per barrel on Friday, hovering at a two-week high and on track for their strongest weekly gain since early June, as fresh U.S. sanctions on major Russian producers stoked supply concerns. The Swiss franc has been trading around 0.8 per USD, hovering near its highest levels since 2011, as geopolitical and trade tensions continue to fuel safe haven demand while investors assess the monetary policy outlook. Bitcoin climbed above $111,000 this Friday, as institutional demand strengthened amid easing Fed policy and renewed corporate confidence. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 12:30 p.m., the annual inflation rate in the U.S. is expected to increase, after reaching 2.9% in August. At 12:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Consumer Price Index of September, following 324 in August. Monday's major economic events. At 9 a.m., Germany to release the Business Climate Index for October, following 87.7 in September. At 12:30 p.m., the durable goods orders in the U.S. are expected to decrease, after reaching 2.9% in August.
And that's it for this week's Market News Roundup, presented by Forex. Thanks for joining us, and see you again next week as we bring you the latest market news and insights. We wish you a great weekend.